Another day, another work. Okay, let's see. Report about broken pipe at V6. Washroom? Okay, I think we need to check this now. Is this the pipe that has been mentioned? Oh, this probably is the one.
Good evening. Thank you for calling Plumbing Service Company. How can I assist you today?
Hello, I am a warden in a hostel in Princess Beirang. I need to schedule a maintenance and repair for a pipe in this hostel. It's been leaking recently and I'm not sure what to do.
Understood. I will be happy to help you with that. Could you please tell me a bit more about the issues?
Sure, it's a pipe under the washroom sink. It started with a small leak, but now it's gotten worse. I'd like to get it fixed as soon as possible.
Alright, thank you for the information. Just to clarify, is it a visible leak or is there water coming from a hidden area or wall?
It's visible and there's a bit of water collecting under the sink. I tried tightening it, but it didn't help.
Got it. We will send a technician who can diagnose and repair it. May I have your address and a contact?
Of course, my address is 123 Main Street and my phone number is 010-1234-567.
Thank you. I will check our schedule. Are there specific times that were best for you?
I'm available tomorrow afternoon if that's possible.
Tomorrow afternoon works. We will arrange for the technician to be there tomorrow.
That's perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you have any question or need to reschedule, feel free to call us back. Our technician will be ready to assist you.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to it.
Happy to help. Have a great day, miss.
Okay, let's wait for tomorrow.
Hi there, I'm with Plumbing Services. I'm here to fix the broken part under your sink.
Yes, thank you for coming. It's been leaking all morning. I'll show you the place. Let's follow me. So this is the pipe that I've mentioned. You can try to look.
No problem. I'll take care of it. Let me take a look under the sink to see what we're dealing with. I see. The correct here. I need to replace the section of the pipe.
How long will that take?
I sure take too long, about 30 to 45 minutes. I get out the damaged section, replace it and make sure everything secure.
That sounds good. Is there anything else I need to do to help?
No, thank you. I have everything I need. Just give me a little space and I get started right away.
Okay then. So, how do you think?
All done. We've replaced the broken pipe section and double check the connection. You shall done. Have any more leaks?
Can I check the pipe?
Yes, can.
Thank you so much. It looks really great. Is there anything I should keep an eye on?
No problem. Just avoid using hellish chemical to clean the drain, as they can sometimes weaken the pipe. Otherwise, you all set. If anything comes up, just give us a call.
I'll keep that in mind. Thank you again for the quick work.
You're very welcome. Have a great day and don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything else.
Will do. Thanks. I will visit the remaining trains.
Thank you.
Hi guys! Thanks to everyone who watched this video till the end. Basically, we really do hope you guys enjoy and gain some knowledge on how plumbing service works based on our video. And we're very sorry if there's any deficiency in any part of our video. Last but not least, thanks for watching and have a nice day!